To access the auto stop settings, you need to click the settings button at the bottom of the page, machine settings, and then scroll all the way down until you get to auto stop. To enable auto stop, you have to click the button at the top of the screen. When it is yellow, it is enabled. When it is grey, it is disabled. On this screen, you have the ability to set the timer anywhere between 1 and 15 minutes. When auto stop is left active, you will then see a 30-second countdown timer. Simply to cancel this, press the button at the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, if left, the countdown timer will then just cause the tractor to turn off. It is worth mentioning that there are certain operating conditions in which the tractor will not turn off, like PTO usage, hydraulics, or work lights.